Hello Bitcoin world, it's Brian here, the UK Bitcoin Master, back with another video in my series Bitcoin for Beginners. Today's the 6th of September 2018, and before we get started, a couple of house notes. Apologies, even though I've got my microphone on for the echo, I'm in our apartment, our lodge, away on holiday, and everything's got wooden floors and everything echoes, so I cannot do anything about the echo. Secondly, I've got a flickering light in here, so if it starts flickering halfway through, I apologize again. So that said, welcome back to this channel, which is really all about Bitcoin for beginners. And as always, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, bash the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you can get any notifications when I upload a video. Please also follow me on Twitter at UKBitcoin You can also follow me on DLive and Steemit, also at UK Bitcoin Master. As always, do check out the notes below. Any links to that are relevant to this show will be below. You can always find 4 or 5 of my recent videos there. There's also a link to my website there where you can view every video I've ever done. There are links to buy a Trezor, to get t-shirts, to register onto Coinbase. There's basically everything in the notes sections below, so do check it out. Now, as I am on holiday, this is just a really quick video, and I was wondering what I could talk to you about. And what I want to talk to you about today is my wife pointed out an article she read on the BBC online news a couple of days ago, and it was talking about people that have become self-made millionaires or millionaires, and it was headed up, I'm looking at it now, we became millionaires from our bedrooms. And one of them was headed up the cryptocurrency boss. Then you had one, the online furniture kings. You had another, the social media magnate. And finally, oh, where's the fourth one gone? Well, the one I want to draw your attention to is the cryptocurrency boss. Because so few people are involved in the Bitcoin community, notwithstanding everybody's heard of Bitcoin, you know, even if they think it's linked to drug lords or something, everybody's heard of it. But when I talk about the people that are actually in the space, when we're in the space and we're talking to people around us with passion and energy about Bitcoin and why people should get into Bitcoin, etc., we sometimes feel really, really lonely. And we feel, is it just us? Now, being in community, my last video was all about the power of association. So, you know, following great content producers on things like Steemit and YouTube, you know, that always helps us. But sometimes when we read articles like this, it can sort of lift our spirits that we are in the right place at the right time. And it's just an article that talked about Erica from Berkshire, which is Royal Berkshire for those of you overseas, in the sort of middle belt of the UK. And it was talking about this lady that became a Bitcoin millionaire, and she only got involved in Bitcoin, I believe it was about mid-2017. And she never expected it. She couldn't believe what happened. She just invested the amount of money at the right time, and it's made her a Bitcoin millionaire. Now, I guess what I'm trying to say to all of you, don't think for 1 minute that you can't become a Bitcoin millionaire, because you absolutely can. And I absolutely passionately believe anyone, including us, can be Bitcoin millionaires, because we are just so early in all of this. I call us pioneers. Anybody that carves out something new, treads a path that nobody else has trodden before, they're pioneers. And the pioneering stage of any new industry, any new idea, is always hard, because everybody wants to rain on our parade. They want to poo-poo our ideas, etc. So when you read articles like this, it sort of lifts your spirits, it rebuilds your belief again. It makes us realise, it even did it to me, that excuse me, we are in the right place at the right time. And you know, it goes on, it says, on the day I made my first million, I just felt blind panic. You know, you can read the article yourself on the bbc.co.uk website. So it was really just a quick video just to put it out there that we're not alone. You know, get into community, get onto YouTube. Follow channels like mine and the commentators that I follow. There are 6 or 7, you know, real hardcore Bitcoin people, Bitcoin content producers, creators that I follow implicitly. I watch their videos, I talk about them all the time, and you should really follow those same people if you know the idea of investing into Bitcoin and earning some money for the future for you and your family is of serious interest to you. But whilst you're doing that, please don't ever get into the situation when you think you're all on your own, because you're absolutely not. And when you see stories like this, it sort of tells those naysayers out there, those neg ferrets as I call them, you know, Bitcoin is going in the right direction. Just because they don't want to be involved in it, Bitcoin is most definitely gonna go up. So you need to be part of it. You need to follow sort of articles like this. I'll put a link below in the notes to this article and you can read it. Now, a disclaimer. The lady Erica, she is referring to trading Bitcoin. I absolutely implore you not to trade Bitcoin. You will lose your money. Do not trade in altcoins. You will lose your money. Over 90% of all traders in the cryptocurrency field ultimately lose. You may think I'm winning, but there'll be a crash and you'll lose everything. The safest bet for a secure future is to buy and hold Bitcoin. As Adam Meister says, have that strong hand. Buy your Bitcoin, get it on your Trezor, and then wait for the 2020 halving, the 2024 halving. If you don't know what those halvings are, for goodness sake, get onto YouTube and type in what are Bitcoin halvings so that you can understand that the scarcity involved as less and less Bitcoin gets produced every 4 years, why there isn't going to be enough to go round, and why one Bitcoin ultimately could easily surpass $100,000, pounds, euros, whatever you want to call it, and it could go even beyond that. So as always, please like this video, share the video, please do subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get my numbers up. Follow me on Twitter at UKBitcoinMeister, on DLive and Steemit again at UKBitcoinMeister. Let's get this message out there. We're not alone. There's a fantastic community, a Bitcoin community out there. You've just got to find it. And again, you don't need to look any further than the notes section below, because as always, I'll put the links to all the people that I follow and I encourage you to follow. That's our show for today, guys. Have yourselves a super Bitcoin day, whatever you're doing. Have a fantastic weekend as we lead up to the weekend, and I'll catch you all on Monday. See ya.